What is going on, YouTube? Storm Rider 116 here, coming at you from San Diego, California. Thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and head down to my Instagram page at Storm Rider 116. So we have the Moons MC Fly Eye version 2 headlight installed on my bike. It was a very easy installation, plug and play, no big deal. And let me say this, man, it is really bright. I would say that this light is significantly brighter than my last light, and the low beams are brighter than the high beams on my old light, which I had picked up from Eagle Lights, and they make a good product, but this one is much better in my honest opinion. So one of the reasons why I picked up this headlight was not only is because it is bright, also it has the integrated turn signals. So I hooked those up, and unfortunately they don't work properly. They stay on like a running light, so they don't flash, they don't flicker, they just stay on. I tried installing resistors. That didn't seem to do the job, so I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if my bike is just not liking the integrated turn signals. I have no idea. So I do have the option of returning it to Moons MC, but I just decided that I'll go ahead and hold on to it just in case I figure out how to get it working. So if you guys have any suggestions or ideas on how I can get the integrated turn signals to work, just go ahead and leave those in the comments, and I'm more than willing to hear what you all have to say. So, but yeah, guys, this headlight was around $300, so it's a little bit on the pricier end, but I would say that it is worth it. If you have 300 bucks to spend, why not? You know, from a safety perspective, I don't see how anybody could not see you coming with this light. Now, there are a lot of people who are distracted, you know, on their phones and whatnot, but I would say for the most part you're very visible with this headlight. So we'll go ahead and hit the brights, and yeah, as you can see, man, it lights up the road. I've had the headlight for a few weeks now, and you know, at first I was riding with my brights on, and I think I was annoying the hell out of other people on the road, because I'd pass somebody up and then they would hit me with their brights. So it's definitely serving its purpose. They can see me, which is good, but it's not always worth trying to piss off somebody in a cage, because you never know how they're going to react. Some people are crazy. But anyways, yeah, guys, this light is pretty badass, so I highly recommend you getting one if you have the cash to spend. It not only is it really bright, but it also looks really badass on my bike. So overall, I'm very happy with it. So let's go ahead and pull over, and we'll kind of take a look at it, and that way you guys can actually see how bright it is, and let me know what you think. Alright guys, there you have it, the Moons MC Fly Eye version 2 headlight. Looks really badass. Let's go ahead and turn it on so y'all can see how it looks. And those are the low beams, super bright. We'll go ahead and turn on the high beams. And there you go. So like I said, guys, I'm really satisfied with the headlight. I highly recommend it. And as I mentioned, if you guys have any ideas on how I can get the integrated turn signals to work, I mentioned that I tried resistors. That didn't seem to do it. So I'm not sure what else I could do, but if you have any ideas or suggestions, go and leave those in the comments. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until the next video, remember to be safe and to always have fun.